I'm Linka, your navigator. It's time to learn about more advanced controls. For a beat, rapidly press the button. For a scratch, keep wiggling the stick. For a slide hold, keep tilting the stick in the direction of the arrow. For a dual hold down buttons on both controllers. For a dual slide, tilt both sticks in the directions of the two arrows. When you see slides like this, press the stick or the corresponding button in the same direction. For diagonal slides, tilt the stick in the direction shown, or if you're using buttons, press the corresponding buttons. Are what we call hidden objects that can be activated when it looks like there's nothing there. These can help you improve your score, so try looking for them once you get a hang of the game. Check the How to Play screen to find out what kinds of targets will appear in a song.